Hey you guys, just a quick video to go over intermolecular versus intramolecular forces. We talked about it a little bit in class today, and we have already gone over intramolecular forces quite a bit. And the only reason we're talking about them here is so that we can compare them to intermolecular forces. Okay? So let's start with our intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces are forces that attract molecules to each other. Notice it says molecules, okay? That is key. Okay, there are three types of intermolecular forces that we're going to talk about. The first one that is here is a molecule to ion attraction, which is basically showing you that there is an attraction because this guy, I'm writing in green and that doesn't work, is negative, and the other guys are positive, okay? And then there's an attraction there. The next one is what we call van der Waals forces, and there's actually two types of these. These are called dispersion forces. Notice how all of these electrons end up kind of in one area. This happens really fast, really quickly, okay? It's called dispersion forces. There are actually two kinds of dispersion forces. The first one happens between dipole, okay? Which means that you've got the positive here, you've got the negative here, and they're attracted. The forces attract each other to them. The other one is between a dipole and an ion. And this one is showing you the dipole and the cation, and this one is showing you the dipole and the anion. Okay? Okay, and then we have hydrogen bonds. The little orange dots on here are hydrogens. These are water molecules. The red is oxygen. The orange is hydrogen. Okay, so you've got a difference in charge there, and that's what the pluses and the minuses are showing you. The oxygen is partially charged negative, the hydrogens are charged positive, and so they line up with each other. All of these intermolecular forces are pretty much because of electrostatic positive-negative attraction with each other. Okay, so now we're going to quickly talk about intramolecular forces. I'm just going to show you the three different kinds. You should know what they are. They are forces that attract atoms to each other. I'm sorry. So we've got your covalent bonds. Okay. We've got your ionic bonds. You guys should know all these, so I shouldn't have to whip through them for too long. And these are, we haven't looked much at these are metallic bonds, which are basically just a bunch of metal ions, or metal atoms with electrons floating around. Okay? Metallic bonds. All right? Okay, so back to intermolecular versus intramolecular. We need to talk about strength. This is what we did today in class. And you can see here I've got two whole molecules, and I can easily move those whole molecules apart because the intermolecular forces are very weak forces. Okay? And then if I take the molecule and I try to pull just a part of it off, I break one of those intramolecular forces. It is much harder to do.